Guys, network discovery showing error for the sharing. So how to fix? Go to the control panel, click to start button, and go to type CON control panel. Then you view by category, and then click to internet network sharing center, change advanced sharing center. Then there are three tabs showing the private. Firstly click to private, so you can turn on network. To click turn on network and turn on sharing center, then minimize, then guest public, turn on discovery, turn on file sharing center service, and then all network. So on the someone network, then on, and off password protection for the computer, like any computer share by network. So if you protect to password, so on, otherwise you don't want to password protection, so off, like when access, so showing your enter your login password. So I don't want to protect, so I just clicked off and then save password. Okay, then restart computer and then access, like network, click to this PC and click network. So now I don't have any network PC now, so you just showing a PC and then double click to access, like for printer and any file sharings. Okay, so have an issue, please give me comment. I will support you on this. Okay, bye bye, take care.